Hi, it's Mal. I'm at NAB 2026 and we're on the Apantac booth with President of Apantac, Thomas Tang. Thomas, I've got with me an Olympic torch from Milano Cortina. Why do I have this here on your booth?
Well, my son competed in the Milano Cortina Winter Olympics.
Wow, that's something to be super proud of. So congratulations to your son
Thank
for
you.
making it to
Yes.
that level. What can you show us on the booth here at the moment that's really cool?
Well, here is our KVM over IP solution. So the KVM over IP is very flexible. You can go from point to point. You can from point to multi-point, or you can make it a matrix. We have these form factors from boxes to openGear cards.
Okay, so you can distribute it or have it all consolidated in one place.
Exactly.
Different resolutions, like computers are... all
Yeah,
sorts of
different
weird
resolutions. There are scalars built in, so that's not a problem at all. It handles anywhere from VGA all the way to 4K.
And can I start with like 4 computers and then expand to...
Absolutely.
How far can it go?
As big as the Switch. Yeah. So we did like 120 by 120 for the World Cup soccer a few years ago. And you know what? It only runs on a 1 gig switch.
Amazing. And I'm seeing different ways that you've configured the screens. You've got portrait mixed with landscape, all sorts of cool and funky kind of operations. I believe this screen allows me to even navigate amongst...
That's right. You can share the mouse here with multiple different computers. With one mouse, you can share with multiple computers.
Incredible. So you guys have had KVM over IP for quite some time. You've just launched a bit of a new functionality though here at the show with enhanced security. Can we have a bit of a chat about that?
Sure. So here, what's new here, we have access control.
So this is the system administrator screen, I believe, Thomas.
Exactly. This is administrative screen here. You can have user accounts, of course, right? User account, password. Then you could assign different type of access. You could have a view only, so you could look, but you can't touch. Control, that's kind of a common access, and you have to give control. Occupy means whoever comes first occupies that particular computer. Then there's a timeout that you could set in here. Right now it's set to 5 seconds. If you time out for 5 seconds, somebody else could take over.
Okay. Yeah, I think it really does plug a hole, because before you'd sort of have a universal access. If you had access to the KVM system, you're on a machine that had a different level of access, and this kind of plugs that hole and really fixes
Before,
the security problem.
during setup, you could take away access from other people, but it's really not a management thing, right? So now you can fit that into your IT, complete IT solution.
Yeah, awesome. All right, well, thanks for showing us what you've got fresh on the booth, and we look forward to seeing you at the next show. And yeah, well done. We'll catch up with you on the Apantac website for more information.
Thank you.
Thanks, Thomas.